Welcome to Always Dolls. We are so glad you joined us today. In this video, we share with you how to make your dolls a pretty, spring-themed Easter cake featuring cute chocolate rabbits. And best of all, we're recycling materials that would otherwise be thrown away. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love it if you hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Okay, let's get making! For this cake, we are upcycling the cap from an empty spray paint bottle. The size is a great match for our 18-inch dolls. On scrap foam board or cardboard, trace around your cap, then cut out the circle. Push it into the bottom of your cap to close it up. We are ready to frost the cake. To help keep our hands clean, we taped a smaller container to the base using low-tack tape. For frosting, we are using Sally's No More Gaps caulking in white. You can find this at your local hardware store. Starting with the side, squeeze out thick lines of the product. With a popsicle stick, gently spread the caulking so it covers the whole side surface. Next, even out and smooth the caulking by turning the cake whilst holding the popsicle stick still. Be sure to drag the caulking in the same direction to achieve a realistic cream look. Next, squeeze more product on top of the cap, spreading it out to the edges. Then smooth with your popsicle stick using a circular action. Set aside overnight for the product to completely dry and harden. For our Easter cake, we are going to try an ombre effect from pink to yellow. Give the whole cake a white undercoat. While the white paint is still wet, add your pink colour to the base. Blend this colour up to the halfway point using just what is left on your brush. It will mix with the white base coat, fading to a lighter and lighter pink shade. Next, apply your yellow paint around the top edge. Drag the colour down the side of the cake, stopping just before it mixes with the pink section. Using what is left on your brush, paint the top of the cake, then set it aside to dry. For decorations, we want to make mini chocolate rabbits. For a template, we googled and printed off this silhouette. Link will be in description box, making sure to copy and flip the image for the back side. Trace your bunny image onto non-stick paper. We keep the release paper from used rolls of contact since it's perfect for hot glue crafts. Making sure the slippery non-stick side is face up, outline then flood your bunny shape with hot glue. Aim to fill each shape in one go to reduce air bubbles or gaps when the hot glue sets. When your first layer is cool and hard, add another layer of hot glue to the hind leg and front ear of each rabbit to build up dimension. When this layer is dry, peel off your paper, match the reverse images and glue them together for a 3D rabbit. It's time to paint. We are using Reeves Burnt Sienna since it's the perfect warm brown shade for chocolate. You will need to give your bunny rabbit a few coats to completely cover the hot glue. For a finishing touch, make a tiny bow from ribbon and adhere at the neck. Now hot glue your bunnies to the center of the cake in a triangle formation. Around them, we will add mini styrofoam glitter eggs, making a pattern of purple, pink, green, and blue. Here we took the sprigs from a fake white flower. Have fun arranging them on your cake. Hot glue individual sprigs amongst the eggs for height variation and allow some sprigs to drape over the edge. Excellent! Your spring-themed Easter cake looks beautiful and is ready for the table. Serve your cake on a mini wooden charger plate with shredded brown tissue paper for that rustic farm fresh appeal. Thanks for spending your time with us today and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!